Hello dear students, welcome to all in your English class with your English teacher Reena Jain. In our previous class I taught you about tenses. I told you that there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And in our previous video we already learnt about present simple tense, and today we will continue our next topic, present continuous tense. Means we are going to learn about present continuous tense. First, let's read these two sentences. First one is Neeta writes in the notebook, and the second one is Neeta is writing in the notebook. Now, tell me what is the difference between these two sentences. In the first sentence, we use as a verb write and we add s in this verb write. But in the second sentences, we have used is and writing. Means we used here is as a helping verb and we put ing in the write. Means here we have used ing form of the verb. Now the first sentence, Neeta writes in the notebook. It's a habit. नीता अपनी नोटबुक में लिखती है, ये एक हैबिट है. मीन्स दिस इज द सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. बट इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस नीता इज राइटिंग इन द नोटबुक राइट नाउ. मीन्स नीता अपनी नोटबुक में अभी लिख रही है. सो इट इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. मीन्स व्हेन वी ask the question that what are you doing, then we get the answer in present continuous tense. जब हम ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं what are you doing means तुम क्या कर रहे हो, और जब हमें इसका आंसर मिलता है तो वह present continuous tense में मिलता है. Now give me the answer of this question, what are you doing? Then you all tell me that I am reading book, I am writing in the notebook, I am playing. And at this time we are learning English. We are learning present continuous tense. अभी हम present continuous tense पढ़ रहे हैं. Means work is going on, action is going on. यानी कोई वर्क चल रहा है, कोई एक्शन किया जा रहा है. So the present continuous tense is used when an action carries on or for describing what people are doing at the particular moment. Present continuous tense का यूज तब किया जाता है जब कोई एक्शन चल रहा हो या कोई एक्शन या कोई वर्क किया जा रहा हो, और उसके अलावा ये डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का यूज किया जाता है कि उस टाइम पे पीपल पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे क्या कर रहे हैं. मीन्स एट दिस टाइम व्हाट वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, अभी इस टाइम पर कौन सा वर्क चल रहा है. Now let's read some examples. I am eating dosa. They are touching the elephant. She is eating rice. These are the examples of present continuous tense. In our previous video, we already have learnt about present simple tense. Now tell me what is the difference between present simple tense sentence and present continuous tense sentence. In present simple tense, we use s or es with the verb. But in present continuous tense, we always use ing form of the verb. And we use helping verb. Am, are and is. In present continuous tense, we always use helping verb and verb with ing. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस के अंदर हमें एक तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब की जरूरत लगती है और साथ में वर्ब का जो है फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing हमें लगाना पड़ता है. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू फॉर्म सेंटेंसेस इन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. वी हैव टू फॉलो टू रूल्स फॉर द forming of sentences in present continuous tense. First one is add ing to first form of verb. Verb की first form में हमें ing लगाना होता है. Now for example, if we are using go as a verb, then we put ing in this verb and we use ing form means going for present continuous tense. And next we use helping verb. In present continuous, to form the sentences, we need helping verb is, am and are. Means in present continuous tense, is, am and are will be used as helping verbs. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में सेंटेंस फॉर्म करने के लिए is, am और are को हेल्पिंग वर्ब के रूप में यूज किया जाएगा और वर्ब की ing फॉर्म को यूज किया जाता है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज वेयर एंड हाउ शुड वी यूज is, am and are. is, am and are का यूज हमें कब और कहाँ करना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी. With first person means I, we always use am as a helping verb. I के साथ हमेशा am को as a helping verb use किया जाएगा. With he, she and it means singular pronouns. With singular pronouns, is will be used as helping verb. With we, they and you means these are plural pronouns. So with the plural pronouns, are will be used as helping verb. Then all the singular nouns means if we have someone's name, for example Ram, Mohan, Sita. If we have the name of an animal like cat, dog, the name of a particular place, Taj Mahal, Agra, like this, then we have to use is as helping verb. If we have plural nouns means if we have two or more than two names of person, places and any plural noun, for example boys, cat, dogs, elephants, like this, then we have to use are as helping verbs. Means with I we always use am. He, she, it means singular pronouns, and all the singular nouns we use is as a helping verb. Then with the plural nouns means we, they, you and all the plural nouns we have to use are as a helping verb. Let's see how to form the sentences in present continuous tense. Like present simple tense, we also have to form 4 types of sentences in present continuous tense. Present simple tense की तरह ही present continuous tense में भी 4 types के sentences form किए जाते हैं. Now first one is affirmative sentences. To form affirmative sentences, we follow this structure to form the sentences. First subject, then helping verb means is, am, are, then verb first form with ing form, then object, then complement. In affirmative sentence, we will use helping verb after the subject. Helping verb is used after the subject, and after the helping verb we will use ing form of the verb. सब्जेक्ट के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज की जाएगी और हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद में वर्ब की ing फॉर्म को यूज किया जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. I am eating dosa. She is dancing on stage. We are learning English. Now the first sentence, I. And with the I, we always use am as a helping verb. And after this helping verb, we will use ing form of the verb. She is dancing on stage. She is a singular pronoun, and with the singular pronoun, we have to use is as a helping verb, and after this helping verb, we will use ing form of the main verb. Next, we are learning English. Here, we is plural pronoun, and with all the plural pronouns, we have to use are as a helping verb, and after this helping verb, we will use ing form of the main verb. Now, the next type of sentence is negative sentences, means how to form negative sentences. Now to form negative sentences, we need to use not. Negative sentence को form करने के लिए हमें not का use करना होता है. This is the structure of negative sentences. Subject is, am, are, then not, then verb first form, then ing, then object, and then full stop. In the negative sentence, first we will use subject, then we will write helping verb, and after the helping verb and before the ing form of the verb, we put not. Means between the helping verb and ing form of verb, we will write not. Then object and then full stop. Let's see the examples. I am not eating dosa. I is a person, and with this I we always use am as a helping verb, and after this helping verb we will put here not because it is a negative sentence, and after this not we will write the ing form of the main verb. Then next, she is not going to Mumbai. She is again a singular pronoun, and with the all singular pronouns we will use is as helping verb, and after this helping verb we will put not, and after not we will write ing form of the verb. Then object. Next, they are not reading book. Here this they is already plural pronoun, so we will use here are as an helping verb, and after this helping verb we put not because we are forming negative sentences, and after this not we put here ing form of the main verb. Next type of sentence is interrogative sentences. Let's see how to form interrogative sentences. To form the interrogative sentences we will follow this structure, means is, am, are, then subject, then verb first form, then ing, then object, then question mark. Now to form interrogative sentence we put helping verb at the first of the sentence, means before the subject, and we put question mark at the end of the sentence. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को फॉर्म करने के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के पहले रखी जाती है और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाया जाता है. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. आर यू टॉकिंग? हियर दिस यू is a plural pronoun, and with the plural pronoun we have to use are as a helping verb, and because we are forming interrogative sentences, so we write this helping verb at the first of the sentence, means before this subject, and first we put here helping verb, then we will write subject, after that we will write ing form of the main verb, then question mark. Next sentence is Neha watching movie? Here the subject is Neha, means we have singular noun. Neha is a singular noun, so we will use here is as helping verb, and because of we are forming interrogative sentences, so we put is at the first of the sentence, means before the subject. After this helping verb we will write noun, means subject, then we put ing form of the verb, then object, and at the last we put question mark. Next example, am I writing book? With I we always use am, so we put here first am, then I as the subject, then ing form of the verb, then object, and then question mark. The next type of sentence is interrogative negative sentences. To form the interrogative negative sentences we need not and question mark. इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें नॉट और क्वेश्चन मार्क दोनों की जरूरत होती है. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. बिकॉज इट्स इंट्रोगेटिव, सो वी विल राइट helping verb at the first, means is, am, are, then subject, and after the subject we will put not, and after this not we put ing form of the verb, then object, and at the last question mark. See these examples. Are boys not playing cricket? This is interrogative negative sentence, so we will write helping verb at the first, means before the subject, are. Because this boys is a plural noun. Boys is a plural noun, so we will use here are. Because with the plural noun we always use are. After this boys, means after this subject we put not according to this structure, because we are forming negative sentence, so we have to write here not, then ing form of the verb, then object, and then question mark. Next sentence is, are Rohan and Mohan not talking? Here again Rohan and Mohan means we have a plural noun. Rohan and Mohan means two naming words, means we have a plural noun, सो वी हैव टू यूज हियर आर एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हम आर को हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह यूज करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ रोहन और मोहन 2 नेमिंग वर्ड दिए हैं. मीन्स यहाँ पर हमारे पास प्लूरल नाउन है तो हम आर को एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे. देन रोहन एंड मोहन बोथ आर सब्जेक्ट. देन वी पुट नॉट because it's a interrogative negative sentence. Then we will write here ing form of the main verb, and at the end of this sentence we put question mark. Next sentence is Geeta not taking tea? Geeta is a singular noun, so we will use here is, and after this subject means Geeta we put here not, then ing form of the verb, and then object, and at the last we put question mark. Let's revise once more time. Present simple tense is used when something is true at the present moment, when something happens regularly, यानी जब कोई वर्क रेगुलरली डेली होता है या कुछ ट्रू होता है या प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में भी कुछ ट्रू होता है, और उसके अलावा when you are describing things that are generally true, यानी कोई चीज जो रियल में ट्रू होती है जब हम उसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं तब वहां पर प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस यूज होता है. And we use present continuous tense when an action carries on, जब कोई वर्क कंटिन्यू चल रहा है, and for describing what people are doing at a particular moment, और ये बताने के लिए कि किसी पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पर कोई क्या वर्क कर रहा है या कोई पर्सन क्या वर्क कर रहा है. Now to form the sentences in present continuous tense, we always use ing form of the verb, and to write the ing form we need first form of the verb, means we will use first form of the verb, then put ing, and we always use helping verb is, am and are in present continuous tense. Am is used with I, is with he, she and it, are with we, they and you, is with singular nouns, and are with all the plural nouns. And in all types of sentence, means affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences and interrogative negative sentences, we always use helping verb is, am, are and ing form of the verb. So सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, नेगेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, सभी सेंटेंसेस को प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, एम, आर और वर्ब की आईएनजी फॉर्म यानी वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी यूज करना होता है. ओके, नाउ दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच.